Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how I make these signature cocktails, Blood or Poison, the Crystal Ball Game, and the Witch's Brew wine cover. Let's get started. So I'll be using lime juice and beet juice. I'm using the beet juice because it gave me the perfect shade of red. Also, I'm using these glass containers I got from Dollar Tree, and they're 6 in a pack. Also, I'm going to be adding some curling ribbon around the bottles just to add a little flair. And these little sticky tabs, these are the small ones, but I recommend you use the bigger ones for a better hold. So now I'm just tying the curling ribbon and placing it around the little glass vial. And just tying a little knot just to add a little glam to it, a little accent. And just cut the ends, nothing special, just a quick knot. Okay, here they are. And now I'm just going to fill it up with the beet juice. You don't really need the funnel, but it helps. And they have these nice little cork tops, which secures very nicely. And there you have it. And now I'm just placing the tabs, the sticky tabs, on the glass containers. And I'm putting one at each end. But like if you have the bigger ones, you just need one. And just stick that on the base of the glass. And you can face them any direction. And here we are. Look at that. I love it. I'm using tequila and pineapple juice. You can use what you like. And now for the crystal ball game. Every Halloween party has to have a crystal ball. I'm using these business cards I had on hand. You can use paper, whatever. But I just printed on these business cards. So here they are. And that's just a little logo of a crystal ball. And what I'm going to do is have each guest fill in the blank. A blank is in my future. And everybody will do one of these. And you're going to take the card from the guest and put it in a bag, container, whatever. And then each guest will pull a fortune. So have your guests be specific, not just a vacation. but where? And everybody leaves with a good fortune. And you won't have to make up fortunes. Nice. Now for the Witch's Brew wine cover. And you've seen me do this in other videos, so I'll make this quick. Okay, so I'm just gathering it, and then I'm going to put a rubber band around it to hold it in place. And then I'm just fluffing it out, making sure the petals are all even. And then I'm going to place the chain around it, like so. You just tie it around there, loop it over, and it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.